Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May the 17th. Welcome to the KMM community meeting. Again, like I said, a very light agenda today. Just a couple of, yeah, I don't know if they're really announcements, but enhancements really from the last time we spoke. One is that we now have a CI job for the hub and spoke feature. So we're actually verifying that the feature works. Hub and spoke is about using open cluster management as a communication medium between the hub setup and a spoke cluster. So the idea is that all the resource intensive works are run on the hub, and then the spoke only deploys pre-built containers or containers that may be built outside on the spoke. And so we now have a CI job for that. So it's really good to see that happening on the CI. Something else that I wanted to mention is that Hirsch Patak from Intel, I don't know if he's in the call today, but he contributed a great fix where we had a little bit of an inconsistency. So the default build argument that we were injecting into the build jobs that KMM creates, the default build argument for the kernel version for which we were building was kernel version, and now we also have kernel full version, which matches the name of a variable that we already replaced in the container image field of the CR. So that's really a great improvement. Thank you, Hirsch, for that. And I think, yeah, that's really the two improvements that we merged since the last community meeting. Apart from that, I do not have any open item on the agenda. I will say that I think in the next community meeting, we will be able to introduce the single daemon set idea for KMM. So hopefully I will have a draft document written by then and a few slides to show everyone. But that's really, yeah, that's what I have for today's agenda. So I don't know if anyone has a question or a comment or an idea about KMM in general.
Hey, Quentin, is there an estimated date for 1.1?
I think that with this couple of announcements that I talked about, I think we could cut the release right now, in fact, for as far as upstream is concerned. So yeah, okay. So what I can do is double check if all the fixes that we were considering for that release are in. I think that's the case. And if so, I'll try to create the release item in GitHub today and link all the container images that will be part of the release. I think I can do that today.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Anything else? Speaking about 1.1, although I think all the features and fixes are in there, I don't think we have the documentation quite yet. So I can certainly cut a release, but the documentation will be probably an ongoing effort for all those features that we added in 1.1. All right. Like I said, I think next meeting will have a much busier agenda because we will be introducing the single daemon set idea. But we can close very early today and give everyone almost 1 hour back.
Hey, Quentin, just a quick one. Do we have the updated CRD yet, or that would be part of the documentation for 1.1? In terms of the new fields, that would be part of.
No, it's not in the documentation. So this still has to make its way to the docs, I'm afraid.
Okay, thanks.
All right. If there's nothing else, then we can wrap up. And we'll see everyone in 2 weeks then. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.